Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do general love reading for Aquarius air sign, and this reading is from May 16th to May 23rd. This is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So let's see what happened in your connection past. Aquarius. So let's see what happened in your connection past. The Sun, Ten of Pentacles, the Strength. Wow. Definitely in past you have stability in your connection, you have love in your connection, everything you have in past. Definitely I think there is nothing bad and there is nothing negative in past Aquarius. Definitely it is very, very positive. So let's see what is happening in your connection right now. You are very, I think Aquarius, it is, you are very stable in emotional way. Are you gain strength to keep your emotions stable? I am getting the Strength card here. So what is happening in your connection? The Magician. Wow. Six of Pentacles. You or your person could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, Earth energy. Two of Pentacles. Definitely you manifest this connection in your life, or your person could be manifest you in their life. Definitely there is equal give and take. Ten of Pentacles. I think there in past there is no equal give and take. Now your person want to offer equal give and take for some. Definitely your person juggled. Lot of readings got this card. Between you and your person, other person, between you and their career, but right what he is thinking right now to offer equal give and take in this connection. Definitely I think it is manifesting you. So let's see the near future actions towards you, Aquarius. Your person near future. Wow. Two of Wands, Eight of Cups, the Devil. I think one more clarification got for lost. Four of Pentacles, Knight of Cups. Yes, I think in past there is no equal give and take, and there is juggling between your person, maybe juggle. That's why you got disappointed, then you walked away. I am getting definitely in near future you will be walk away due to their juggling. And Capricorn, your person could be Capricorn. Are you addicted to your person? That's why you want to change, you want to gain your strength, you are thinking that your person may in near future also acting like stubborn, not expressive his feelings. Then you walked away, then your person realized you both in near future and thinking about you a lot and want to offer this Knight of Cups to you, and it is slow but stable. Definitely your person will come towards you after you walking away. So let's pull some cards from universe, Aquarius. I think your person may be in and out your life. In one time he say everything you to me, and another time he just ignore you. That's why you walked away. I am getting Aquarius. He has feelings but he is not expressive. Eight of Pentacles, Five of Wands. Definitely there are some disputes. Ten of Cups, Ace of Pentacles. Yes. Oh, sorry for yes. Sorry for the disturbance. Definitely there are some disputes, but after you walked away you realize your worth. Then he want to work on this relationship and want this happy life with you, and want this long term offer, want to offer this long term commitment to you. So Aquarius, when you stand by your power, when you know your worth, you walked away, then your person realize your worth and will come towards you and offer this long term commitment. So definitely he will think about you and he want to come towards you and offer this to you. So it's up to you. So this is the reading for you, Aquarius. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel. Please do support me, guys. Bye.